Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the secrets to success and personal growth. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you. A summary of the timeless classic, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen Covey. If you're ready to become the best version of yourself, then keep watching because these 7 habits will transform your life. Habit 1. Be proactive. The first habit is all about taking charge of your life. Being proactive means being responsible for your actions, decisions, and responses to situations. It's about recognizing that you are in control of your destiny, and you have the power to shape your life in any way you want. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. This habit encourages us to visualize our goals and dreams. Imagine standing at the pinnacle of your life and looking back on your achievements. What do you see? By defining your values and long-term objectives, you'll find purpose and direction, making every step you take more meaningful. Habit 3. Put first things first. Now, this habit focuses on effective time management and prioritization. It's about identifying the most important tasks and putting them at the forefront of your agenda. Remember, it's not just about being busy, but rather about being productive and aligned with your values. Habit 4. Think win-win. In a world that often seems competitive, this habit teaches us to embrace a mindset of collaboration. Seek solutions that benefit everyone involved. It's about fostering healthy relationships, building trust, and realizing that success is not a zero-sum game. When others win, you win too. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication is crucial in all aspects of life. This habit reminds us to listen actively, putting ourselves in others' shoes, and seeking to understand their perspectives before sharing our own. It's a powerful way to create deeper connections and foster empathy. Habit 6. Synergize. Habit number 6 is all about the magic of synergy. When individuals come together and combine their unique strengths, the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts. Embrace diversity, value different opinions, and watch as creative solutions and innovations unfold. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. And finally, the last habit is a gentle reminder to take care of yourself. To be truly effective, you must invest in self-renewal and personal development. Whether it's physical exercise, reading, or spending time in nature, make time for activities that rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. There you have it, the 7 habits of highly effective people that can transform your life. Remember, becoming highly effective is a journey, not a destination. So, embrace these habits, practice them daily, and watch as you flourish in every aspect of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others on their path to greatness. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay proactive and keep striving for success.